Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to a new video on the Wix SEO advanced strategy, and today we're going to talk about how to get backlinks to your Wix website. So if you're looking to get more backlinks to your Wix website, this is the strategy that I use for most of my clients and for my own website. Even though my website is not a Wix website, Wix websites and every other website works the same when it comes to backlinks. So we're going to talk about backlinks today, and if you have no clue what backlinks are, just to give you a quick overview, backlinks essentially are links from other websites that links to your website. And what that does is the authority that the other website has comes to your website, which gives your website the same authority. So let's say you have a website that has been running for 10 years, it has a ton of content on it, and it has a lot of authority, and that website decides to link to your website. That is going to give your website that you've been running for a year or two, is going to give your website authority, so that Google sees your website as an authority in the subject you're talking about. So let's say you have an article about website design and a website links to your article about website design. You are probably going to be able to rank better under certain keywords related to website design. And that is just the minimum basics of what backlinks do for your website. But let's get right into how to get yourself backlinks. And there are a ton of ways of getting backlinks, and this is just one of the ways that I'm personally getting my backlinks. You can get backlinks by guest posting. You can create a lot of content on your website so people will link to your website organically, or you can purchase backlinks, which is what I'm going to talk about today. So let's just get right into it. So the website I like to use is Fiverr. Fiverr is a website, you probably heard about it. It is a place where freelancers and people can sell their service. You can buy all sorts of things from logo design to animations. Anything you need, you can find it on Fiverr. If you need a logo design or something like that, you find it on Fiverr. But just to give you a quick overview of what we are going to look for, you'll search for backlinks. Yes, as easy as that. Let's look at the top results. And just to give you an idea of what you want to look for, you want to look for high quality links. You don't want to look for 200 links for $5, because those links are going to be shit, and it's just going to make Google penalize you in the search engine. And if Google penalizes you in the search engine, that basically means that Google is going to blacklist you from the search engine. So if you're on the third page right now, you're going to be on page 255. You're going to disappear from the search engine. So what you want to find is high quality backlinks on Fiverr. So what I usually look for is somewhere between 5 to 10 backlinks, just not to get too spammy. You don't want to overload your website with backlinks all of a sudden, because Google is going to detect you are getting false backlinks or spammy backlinks, just to increase your Google ranking. So what you want to look for is high quality backlinks, not spammy backlinks, all right? And on Fiverr, people have seller ranks, so level 2 seller and level 1 seller, and then you have the top rated seller and people without a rating. So what you don't want to do is go out and buy from someone that has no ratings at all and has no seller rating, because that basically means that you're risking yourself on a person that just got started on Fiverr, which is most likely not going to be worth it. You're going to get shit. Fiverr is going to be on your side, so you're going to get your money back, but that doesn't really matter. Go for someone that has a lot of experience and a lot of feedback on their backlinks. The thing with backlinks is that you want to find something that is related to your niche if possible. Some people are going to sell backlinks related to computers. Some people are going to sell you backlinks related to food. So if you're on a food business, you probably want to buy backlinks from websites that are related to food, because that is basically going to tell Google that a food website that has a good authority is linking to your website that has lower authority, but your website is also about food. It's going to tell Google that, oh, your website deserves more authority. So your website has good information that Google should, or people should see in the search engine. Another way, if you can't find specific niche backlinks, because normally niche backlinks are more expensive, what you can do is at least try to find country-sided backlinks. So this seller right here is selling 10 Dutch backlinks, And Dutch backlinks are gonna be good if you're running a Dutch website and you wanna target the Dutch market. So if you're running a Dutch website and you need backlinks, you should get Dutch backlinks. It's as easy as that, basically. So I would go on this guy right here. He has good reviews, he's level 2 seller. I would get these backlinks, they're very cheap. They're 45 bucks. This is in Swedish crowns. But this is 45 bucks, and you're basically getting 10 backlinks to your Dutch website, so you can easily or more easily rank for your specific keywords that are in Dutch. So I would definitely go for this guy right here. And what you basically do is just continue with your purchase. You place your purchase, and eventually he's gonna send you all the links that he has published. Then you can just go ahead and check if these links are good or not. And what you can do is go on Ahrefs website authority checker, and I would recommend you to do this before you buy the links if possible. Send the seller a message, ask for the links he has, just to get an idea of what authority these links has, because some of the sellers are lying. Some of their website don't really have the authority that they're actually selling. So if you want, just send a quick message to the seller himself. You can find the contact me page right here. Send him a message, ask for the links. If he sends you the links, just go to Ahrefs website authority checker, put the links in right here one by one, and check the authority on the domains. And just to give you guys an example, I checked this yesterday. Bob the Builder, it's not my website, but if I just put bobthebuilder.com, we are gonna get bridges. Okay, let's see here. Bridge. Okay, we got it. Bob the Builder has a domain authority of 61, domain rating, right? So this is a strong website. This would be a good backlink. Let's say you're running a building company. This would definitely be a good backlink. But the thing is, your links are definitely not going to be 61, but what you want to look for is a domain that has a higher authority than your own website. So put your own website in here, check your authority. If the backlink you're buying has a domain rating of 1, it's not going to be a good backlink. It's going to be a spammy backlink, so don't get it. Go for more high authority backlinks instead of buying multiple shitty ones, because that is just going to be spammy, okay? It's just as easy as that. And once you buy your backlinks, it's definitely gonna take a while before Google actually detects your new backlinks. So don't really stress about it. Don't spam your seller. Just wait a bit. Wait. It can take up to 1 to 2 months before Google detects these links. There are ways to do it faster, but Google naturally likes to organically just crawl these links. So that basically means is that if this guy posts these 10 links on 10 different websites, it's gonna take a while before Google goes on these websites and crawl it organically without him actually manually crawling his website. So essentially, the main focuses of this video is buy backlinks. If you want your backlinks fast, buy high authority backlinks instead of buying multiple spammy backlinks. Try to focus on niche backlinks. So if you're building, you want building related website backlinks. But if you can't find those niche links, or if they're too expensive, go for country-based backlinks. Those are also gonna be good. And most of these sellers are also gonna write you an article, handwritten articles. Make sure these articles are not copied. So when you get the backlinks, make sure you check the articles in case they are copied. In that case, just contact the seller or just cancel your order altogether. That is gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to get backlinks for your Wix website. If you want more tutorials on how to build organic backlinks without having to pay for them, and that is the more white hat way of doing it, let me know and I'll make one of those videos as well. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like this video, comment if you have any questions, and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.